Babe, I'm pretty sure this is a swarm. This is nuts. I've never seen anything like it.
I have a swarm that I trapped in originally in a Hive Butler and then transferred into one of my little mini nukes, medium nukes that I made. And I captured this swarm Sunday the 21st in the afternoon. I work on Sundays. I'm the tech director in my other life, my full-time job. I'm the technical director at our church. And we were filming all day, so I had like 20 minutes to catch it. I didn't really have time to make a good video. So let's take a look and you can see some of the footage of when I captured the swarm. I do have a little bit. My wife did take some video on her phone and I got a video of them kind of marching in. So I'll drop that in here.
Do you see them up there?
Are they going to like stay in here? Look at it. They're collecting over there. This can be an entrance.
My hope is that they will start liking this box here and that they'll go into it. Notice how they've all left me? Like when they're swarming, they're pretty calm. Queen's somewhere in here. Hard to say exactly.
So fascinating. And
Pretty cool, huh?
these animals, these insects, the humans actually learn about politics and all those. Wow.
That's really cool.
I might knock them off one more time.
Okay.
No, if living in here would make them go inside, just live in here instead of disturbing them. You know?
I'm gonna try to knock them in one more time.
Oh my gosh. Go in the hive, little bees.
I don't want to step on the queen, so let's see if she's still up there.
Yeah, you can totally just
Yeah,
sit here
yeah,
and
yeah.
come back for them.
You'll babysit?
Yeah. This is so fascinating.
Let's see if I can get video of this happening. There we go. Yep. Yeah, see how they're all starting to march in? Yeah, they'll start to kind of fight, push each other to get in there. But once they know the queen's in there, they'll all go in there because they can smell her pheromone. So let's get into this. You can see they've drawn this out about a third of the way. There's a little nectar in there and they're just going to town on this. This, when I put it together, has 3 frames of drawn comb. So the queen had somewhere to lay, and then 3 frames of foundation, just plastic undrawn, and I'm letting them do their thing because, you know, swarms, are full of nectar when they swarm, and they're ready to build comb. They got a lot of young bees who are just raring to build comb. So if you catch a swarm and you want to get foundation drawn out, what I've read, and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong on this, but I've read that that's one of the best ways to get foundation drawn is to give it to a newly captured swarm and let them do their thing. So it seems to be proving true already. These bees have only been in here for 5 days. Caught them Sunday, and today is Friday. So look at that. They're just going to town. I don't see eggs yet. I don't see the queen right now. Nice thing is, even though this swarm came off my hive, I have really, really cool neighbors. And they're fascinated by the whole thing, thankfully, and weren't angry at me, because they could have been, because they landed in their tree in their yard, and it's, you know, it could be upsetting, but they were very, very kind. But I don't want to keep having that happen. But I'm glad these swarmed off the hive they did, because that is the hive that I wanted to make splits off of. So it works out, but it's not ideal. Oh, wow, that smell is just amazing. That new swarm smell. See if I can see any eggs. I don't see eggs yet. So either they had a virgin queen and she's still mating, or something else. I don't know. No eggs yet. This frame was from a cutout because it's foundationless. And those are the only foundationless frames I will have in here, are going to be from when I did cutouts. No eggs. Okay. I'm going to close this up because you can see there's lots of bees in here. I'm not seeing eggs, but I know for a fact I released a queen in here. So she may be unmated, and I don't want to keep this thing open if she's on mating flights and get her all confused. So this is going to get closed back up. This would make a great builder colony. I mean, they're packed. Okay, get our inner cover going. Come on, little bees. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Young bees, not stingy yet. Give them a couple weeks. See them fanning, a lot of Nasanov fanning going on here. Just get them off this edge. Add our inner cover. Keep our lid from getting stuck down. See how calm they are? Just landing on me. So that's the first swarm that I caught on Sunday. I'll do another video with the second swarm. See you soon.